In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Smart Selection and tidy up in Figma. Start by opening your design so you can see the layers, shapes, frames, or components you want to organize. These tools shine when you are working with multiple items that need consistent spacing or quick rearrangement, so make sure you have at least 2 similar objects ready to go. First, let's use Tidy Up. Drag to select the objects you want to clean up, or click them one by one while holding your usual multi-select modifier. With those items selected, look to the right sidebar under the Selection section and click the grid icon. From the alignment menu that appears, choose Tidy Up. Instantly, Figma arranges your selection into a neat row, column, or grid with equal spacing. Based on how the items were already positioned, this is perfect for turning a messy cluster into a predictable layout in one click. If something looks slightly off, don't worry. Tidy Up preserves your general structure and normalizes the gaps, which you can fine-tune next. Now, let's use Smart Selection. Figma often recognizes evenly spaced patterns automatically. Even before you formally tidy things up, as long as objects are close to a grid or line. When Smart Selection is active, hover your cursor between 2 items until you see a pink line and handle appear. Click and drag that handle to adjust the spacing, and Figma updates the gap evenly across all selected items at once. This keeps everything aligned while saving you the trouble of nudging each piece individually. To quickly rearrange items, hover until you see the solid pink circle in the center of an object. Then click and drag it to a new spot. As you move it, the other items shift to fill the space, maintaining your spacing pattern. If you want to swap 2 items directly, hold Command on Mac or Control on Windows. Then drag the pink circle from one object onto another. They trade places immediately without disturbing the grid. Finally, you can resize while keeping spacing consistent. Select 1 or more items, then drag the pink rings on their edges. As you resize, Figma preserves the uniform gaps so your layout stays balanced. If the pink handles don't appear, double-check that multiple objects are selected and aligned roughly in a row, column, or grid. And remember, you can always undo if you make a change you don't like. That's it. Thanks for watching.